everyone, and welcome back. I don't know, there's a lot of this. Okay, welcome back. And today, I have an idea. I don't even know what I'm saying right now. I have a bad headache. I'm thinking it's my hair, dehydration, all this stuff. Anyway, so for today's video, I actually have a look in mind. I want to do something like kind of purple and bronze, but like wearable, if that makes sense. I have something in mind what I want to do. It might work out, might not. We shall see. So I already have my face on, and I did the exact same in my last video, so feel free to go check that out. Anyway, just gonna go ahead and jump right in. I know I use these a lot, but they have such good variety. The Bot Collection by Morphe with Jaclyn Hill, that collaboration. So yeah, I want to use some of these because they have like the purples and like the bronze and stuff. So I think in the Bling Boss palette, I want to dip into maybe like this shade and like that one or something like that. Like maybe combine them together. And then this one is the Ring the Alarm. So it does have like some bronzy and coppery shades. So I really like this one and like that one. So I'm going to use that one. I don't think I need the... No, I don't need the Dark Magic palette. I do want to do a tutorial. I actually did a makeup look with that one and I absolutely loved it. So maybe I can do that again. And I'll pop that up so you can see what it looks like. It's very like smoky, green, deep eye. And this one, I don't think I need anything in it. So I'll say no to this one too. My under eyes are so dry today. I don't know why. I did do a different concealer combination, so that could be it. So we're just gonna ignore that and like move on and try to cover it up. So before I move on, I'm actually gonna use just a little of this from the Body Shop, their Aloe Smooth Eye and Lip Contour Care. I do use this as an eye cream at nighttime, but I like to use it on my lips because I actually worked at the Body Shop, hence why I use so many products from there. And I use so many products from the Body Shop from so many different companies for dry, cracked lips. And I probably had like chapped lips for like 2 weeks. Couldn't figure out how to do it. And then I remember that I tried this one and I did like it. And after one day, my chapped lips were gone. And after I used everything I could think of, I used chapsticks like the Hemp Lip Care from the Body Shop, used their shea butter, use Burt's Bees, use like everything. I have so many different types of lip balms, and I use this and it helped to cure my cracked, dry, chapped lips. Absolutely insane because the aloe and it soothed my lips, and then it does feel like it absorbs in like right away, so you might have to keep reapplying and you feel like you use so much, but I swear after a day your lips are cured. Like this saved everything. It doesn't make your lips super oily or greasy if you don't like that feeling, because it's a like kind of a gel cream base instead of it being a balm or an oil. So just something to think of if you have suffer from really dry lips. Anyway, let's jump in. Eyelids are already actually primed. I just used the concealer I used on my eyes. I'm just going to pat that in again. And then take my fluffy brush and then a little bit of setting powder. I just used the AOA setting powder today and lightly set the lids. So first I am going to get into a crease shade. So I'm going to take Ring the Alarm palette. I'm going to take the shade Rush and also the shade maybe Mugshot. Kind of like mix them together and they're going to go into my crease. So do windshield wiper motions back and forth. Then I'm going to take the shade Secret and add just a small amount of that into my outer corner. And just going to use a angled, kind of like an angled, tapered, dense, fluffy brush. And tap that into the outer crease of the eye and then blend that out. I always like to try to connect the outer crease color to like the very edge of my like lower lashes, I find it just helps to blend better, and I like how it looks on my eye shape. Just taking that first fluffy brush and then blending that all out together. So then next, for the copper shade, I think I'm going to use like the bronze shade. I'm actually going to do a mixture of Boom and On Camera. And I'm going to just take them on my finger, first going in with Boom since it's a little bit deeper, and just tapping that on the outer corner of the eye. And then next I will go in with On Camera right on top. Then taking the dense fluffy brush we used on the outer corner, and then going with Mugshot instead of Secret to blend those two, blend the outer corner and the bronze shade together. Then next going in with the Bling palette, and this is where I think it can get a little sketchy and how it's going to turn out, but I'm going to try it anyway. And if not, I have other purple eyeshadow backup so I can try. I'm going to go in with, I think, or I'm actually going to go in with the purple that's in this palette, so the one called Framed, and apply that to the inner third of the eye. I'm just going to use my finger again because why not? And then I'm going to take a small fluffy brush and with just a tiny bit of that shade to blend out the edge. I just got a little bit of the eyeshadow here in the inner corner. I don't want it there. So I'm just taking a concealer brush and wiping it away. Then, I know it's looking a little weird right now, but I think it's going to work. I'm going to take Ballsy and apply that, I think that one. I have like swatches going here. Yeah, I'm going to take Ballsy and then take another finger, or the same finger, and apply that right on top of that purple. I don't know if this is working or not. It's gonna be another messing with makeup video. Not quite what I thought I wanted. Taking, I think actually I'm gonna try a little bit brighter. This purple here, it's a little addition shadow from the Body Shop, and putting that on top. Yeah, I think it's a little more the purple I wanted. That's what I wanted. Then I'm going to take the shades we used in here before, so Boom and On Camera, and apply those right next to the purple again just to re-intensify them. And then taking Mugshot and Rush and the big fluffy brush just to blend everything out again. Now I'm taking Mugshot and Rush and applying those to underneath my lashes. I don't think I want a wing today because I'm just not feeling it. Take the Spotlight Highlight Palette. I'm going to take the shade Aloe and then apply that into my inner corner. I'm just going to take a black eyeliner and I'm just going to line my upper lashes because we're going to put on the false lashes. So for my lashes today, I actually bought a new pair of the Blowout Lash. I have the Pixie 02, but these are the Pompadour ones. And I'm going to apply those to my lashes. Like I keep saying lashes. And while I'm just getting these ready, I just want to note that like anytime I ever have used Body Shop product, because I have worked there, I don't work there anymore. I actually just left. for a new job, not because of any other reason. Completely not even sponsored, not because I use the product or I buy the product or work there. I only mention products I actually like and use, because even at the body shop there's products I didn't like, and I have told customers that I personally did not like the products. I wouldn't do that to you guys, because I have no reason to, because yeah, I'm not making money from any of this. I like to do this because it's fun, and I like messing with makeup. Next videos I'm going to do, I am going to kind of recreate some of my old makeup looks. I think it's going to be really fun. Definitely because if it's going back to like my old makeup looks when I was like 13, 14, they were interesting. So while those lashes are drying, I'm going to finish my face off a bit. I think this look calls for just a little bit of blush. So I'm actually going to use an eyeshadow, because I have used this one as an eyeshadow before. Again, it's from the Body Shop. It's one of their limited edition shadows they had like last year, called Pink Topaz. You can use really anything you want for blush. I just need something on my cheeks. Again, for any eyeshadows, I always just tap it off in my hand and then tap it onto my cheeks, because these are more pigmented than blushes. I'm going to highlight today. I'm going to use the exact same shade from the BH Cosmetics Spotlight Highlight Palette. And I know, I keep using the same one. Just leave me be. So I make it blend a little bit better. I'm actually going to still take the shade Radiance because it's deeper and it matches my skin better. And like blend those together. Alright, so those lashes are on. They're absolutely gorgeous and beautiful. I'm going to take a white pencil and line my inner waterline. Then I'm going to take a little accent brush and take the shade Mug Shot and Secret and just put on the outer corner of my eye a bit. I like the look of that for me. And I think that's almost done for, that's pretty, well yeah, it's done for the eyes. Put mascara on. Thought I had a brown eyeliner, but I don't know where it went, so I'm just going to take a little bit of a black. It looks a little messed up, but whatever, and deepen up it there. And just kind of like closes off the outer corner of the eye a bit, makes it a little more flirty. You do a gloss, you could do a purpley lip, a mauvey lip, a pink lip, you know, like that. So today I'm going to do kind of like a pinky lip with a gloss on top. So this is the BH Cosmetics Liquid Lip. Yeah, liquid lip. I believe it's the shade Claire. I believe. Don't quote me 100%. So that's it on its own. Then I'm just going to take the Apple Taffy lip gloss from the Body Shop. These are actually really good. Sorry. They're not sticky or anything like that. They last a decent amount of time. They hydrate your lips. They're comfortable. They smell delicious. It smells like bubble gum. Yeah. Oh, this is the finished look. I really think it's fun. I got a little rocky in there, as you've seen, but we made it through. And this is kind of actually what I had envisioned in my mind. I want a little more of like the purpley showing through and like the bronze. And yeah, so here's the final look. If you're ever wondering what my shirt means, it's the airport that's by me. I live in a small island. This is the finished look, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And I definitely think it's fun, and it's definitely what I want to do. And yes, I am only at one video per week right now. Yeah, it's because I'm busy. My new job is like having me working like 50 hours a week, and I love it. That's about it. But I still want to continue doing this because this is like kind of like therapy for me, like the process of doing makeup and then filming and editing and all that stuff. So yeah, I do this because it's a hobby. I like it because it's fun, not because I need to. Yeah, so this is like the look I created. It's super good, fun, and again, I'm only uploading 1 video per week right now, but I might do 2 if I can get around to doing 2 per week and editing at the same time. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!